Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Mr. Fluent channel, where English learning is smooth, simple, and actually fun. I'm Zoya.
And I'm Mr. Fluent. Today's lesson is all about one magic word: turn. This little word creates so many useful phrasal verbs.
Yes, and if you learn these, your English will turn into something amazing. See what I did there?
Very funny, Zoya. All right, first one. Turn on. This means to start something, like a light or a device. Please turn on the TV.
Next is turn off, the opposite. Don't forget to turn off the lights when you leave.
Perfect. Next phrasal verb, turn up. It means to increase something, like volume. Turn up the music. I love this song.
And of course, we also have turn down. This means to lower something. Can you turn down the volume? It's too loud.
Great! Next one is a little dramatic. Turn into. It means to become something. Caterpillars turn into butterflies. Or Zoya turns into a teacher when someone makes a grammar mistake.
Mr. Fluent. I do not turn into anything. I just correct them gently when sometimes.
Sure. Last one, turn over. It means to flip something. Turn over the paper and read the next page.
Let's review quickly. Turn on, turn off, turn up, turn down, turn into, turn over.
Well done, everyone. These phrasal verbs are simple but powerful.
Thanks for watching the Mr. Fluent channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye. See you next time.